Okay, fine. Let's take up the next question. Verify the following. There are 3 sub questions here. 3 points are given. You have to check whether they are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay. Hope ನಿಮಗೆ isosceles triangle properties ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Two sides of the triangle would be the length. Okay, the length of the two sides would be same. Okay, so let us find the distance formula. That is, using distance formula, we will find the distance between the 3 alternative pairs. Okay, let me consider the 3 points as A, B and C. So I've considered the 3 points as A, B and C. So let me find the distance between A, B. So distance between A, B is nothing but square root of, so we will use the distance formula here, x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus 0 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 means 6 minus 7 whole square, plus minus 6 minus of minus 10, so this becomes plus 10 whole square. This would be square root of 1 minus 0 is 1 square, 6 minus 7 is minus 1, so it's minus 1 square, plus what is minus 6 plus 10? 10 minus 6, 4 square. So this would be square root of 1 plus 1 plus 4 4s are 16. So this would be square root of 18. Okay, this cannot be further simplified, or else you can take this as 9 2s are. Write this as 9 2s are 18. You can further write it as 9 comes out of the root, it will be 3. So it would be 3 root 2. Similarly, let's find the distance between B and C. So BC is equal to square root of x2. Similarly, following the formula, 4 minus 1 whole square, 9 minus 6 whole square, plus this is minus 6, minus of minus is nothing but plus 6 whole square. Remember, the root is for the entire formula. So this is square root of 4 minus 1 is 3 square, 9 minus 6 is also 3 square, plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so this is nothing but square root of 3 square is 9, plus 3 square is 9, plus this is nothing but 0. Okay, so you will get root, again 9 plus 9 is 18. So root 18, actually what we got, you can write it as root 9 2s are, and again you can write this as 3 root 2. You can see here two sides AB and BC are same. Okay, now let us check AC also. Therefore, AC, distance between the points A and C is square root of, so 4 minus 0 whole square, plus 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7 whole square, plus minus 6, minus of minus is plus 10, so minus 6 plus 10 whole square. So this would give me square root of 4 minus 0 is 4 square, 9 minus 7 is 2 square, and 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4 square. So this would be nothing but square root of 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4, 4 is square is again 16. So this is nothing but square root of 16, 16, 32, 32 plus 4 is 36, isn't it? And root 36, we know 36 is a perfect square. This is equal to 6. Okay, now you can see here two sides are having equal length, therefore the given points are the vertices of the isosceles triangle. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಟ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಜನರಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ expect you to write the final conclusion in words. Okay, so let us take the conclusion. So this would be the final conclusion. Here AB is equal to BC, that is equal to 3 root 2. That means two sides are equal. Hence the given points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so that's it with the first sub question. Let us take the next one. The next question, I have to show that there are 3 points given. Okay, let me consider the points as A, B and C. You have to show that these are the vertices of a right angled triangle. So right angled triangle, as soon as you hear this word, you should remember the Pythagoras theorem. That is, the square on the hypotenuse should be equal to the sum of the square on the remaining two sides. Okay, so let us find that values using the distance formula. So I have considered the 3 given points as point A, B and C. Okay, as we did in the previous cases, let us find the 3 sides, their length AB, BC and AC. First of all, going to find out the value of AB. So x2 minus x1 means, so 1 minus 1 minus 0 whole square, plus 6 minus 7 whole square plus 6 minus 10 whole square. Okay, using the distance formula, this is nothing but square root of minus 1 minus 0 is actually minus 1 square plus 6 minus 7 is again minus 1 square plus 6 minus 10 is minus 4 square. Okay, so this would be nothing but square root of minus 1 square is 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 plus minus 1 square is, sorry, minus 4 square is 16. So 16 plus 1 will give me root 18. So, and we have seen that, let us keep it as it is. So I've taken AB is equal to root 18. Therefore, if I want AB square, so AB square would be 18. Okay, let us keep it as it is and find out BC now. So using the distance formula for BC, so it is minus 4, minus of minus it becomes plus 1. So minus 4 plus 1 whole square plus 9 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 6 whole square. Okay, so this is nothing but square root of minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 square plus 9 minus 6 is 3 square plus 6 minus 6 is actually 0 square. Okay, so this is nothing but square root of 3 square is 9, again 3 square is 9 plus 0 square is what? 0. So we'll get square root of 18. Again you get BC is also square root of 18. So this will imply if you take BC square, so BC square will be 18. So I have AB square and BC square. Let me find out AC and finally AC square. Okay, so therefore AC would be nothing but square root of, using the formula for A and C, so it is minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 9 minus 7 whole square plus 6 minus 10 whole square with the root for all the terms. So this is nothing but square root of minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4 square, 9 minus 7 is 2 square and 6 minus 10 is nothing but minus 4 with the square, okay, along with the root. So this is square root of, now we know 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4 and 4 square is again 16. Okay, so this is nothing but root, we know this is nothing but 16 plus 16 32, this is 36. So AC is equal to 30, AC is equal to root 36. This will imply AC square is equal to 36. Okay, now you can see here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, isn't it? So 18 plus 18 is equal to 36. Therefore, this will satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Hence, the given points are the vertices of the right angled triangle. Okay, so let's take up the final conclusion. So take the final conclusion here. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That means Pythagoras theorem is proved. Hence we can say the given points are the vertices of a right angled triangle. Okay, very simple proof is. You just have to know the distance formula and apply it to find the solution for this. Okay, now before I go on to the next question, there is a similar question for different points. Even there you have to find the vertices of right angle triangle. Okay, that question I'm going to give you as a homework. So please take down that question, then we can go on for the next one. So this is the homework question, please note it down. Are the points A, B and C, that is 3, 6, 9, 10, 20, 30 and C which is 25 minus 41, 5, are these the vertices of a right angled triangle? Previous one was verify, but this one, are these the points ಅಂತ ಇರುವಾಗ he is asking you the question. Sometimes it is possible, but sometimes it may not be possible. So are these ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So okay, some cases it is possible, some cases it will not be. Okay, I'll just give you a hint. In this question, these points are not the vertices of a right angle triangle because this will not follow the previous case, which is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now verifying part I will leave up to you. Okay, that is why I took this question as a homework one. Okay, so that's it with this one. Let's take up the next question that we are going to work out. The next question, you have to verify the 4 given points. Here the case is 4 given points are the vertices of a parallelogram. If this question is given, please note it down, dear students. This would be a 5-mark question. I repeat, idu nimge 5-mark question agirutte. Okay, so now how do you show that the given points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Parallelogram and ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So what are the properties of parallelogram? The opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. Andre two pairs would be equal. The opposite sides will be equal. Not just that is enough, because even for a rectangle the opposite sides would be equal. Okay, the only difference between a parallelogram and a rectangle, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೂ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೂ ಇರೋ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅದೊಂದೇ. ಏನು? In the rectangle, the diagonals would be of equal length, but in the parallelogram, the diagonals would not be of equal length. Okay, so bari sides, so if you just find out the length of four sides, that would not be enough for this question. You also have to find out the diagonals AD and BC. That is why this is a 5-mark question. Okay, now let us take up the calculation. So let's check the next one. The 4 given points, I've taken it as A, B, C and D. Let me find out all the 4 sides AB. So AB is nothing but square root of 1 minus of minus 1. So it is 1 plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 2. So minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is nothing but square root of, now 1 plus 1 is what? 2. I'm going to do it directly now. One step kadme martini. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. Okay, now plus minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16 plus. Now 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 square is again 16. So this is nothing but root 16 plus 16, 32 plus 4, that is 36. Okay, this is my length AB. Okay, if you want you can simplify this as root 36 nothing but 6. Okay, similarly let me find out BC. So BC is equal to square root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus minus 7, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus 7 minus of minus means plus 2. So minus 7 plus 2 whole square plus, what is the point here? 8 minus 5 whole square. So 8 minus 5 whole square. So this is nothing but, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 square is 9 plus minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5, minus 5 square is 25. Don't forget minus 25 baribedi, because the power is even, negative will be nullified. Plus 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 square is 9. Okay, so this is nothing but square root of 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 25 would give me 43. This would not be simplified. Let us keep it as it is. So I got AB, BC. Similarly, let me find out CD. So CD is equal to square root of distance between D and C. So this is 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3, minus of minus means plus 7 whole square plus 4 minus 8 whole square. Okay, this is nothing but square root of 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 2 square is 4. Minus 3 plus 7 andre 7 minus 3. So it is 4. 4 square is 16 plus 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 square is also 16. This is nothing but square root of 16. 32 plus 4 is 36. So this is nothing but 6. Okay. Similarly, let me find AD. AD or DA, both are same. This is nothing but square root of, now 2 minus of minus 1. So it is 2 plus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus, there it is 4 minus 1. So it is 4 minus 1 whole square. This is nothing but square root of 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9 plus minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 square is 25. Okay, plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. This is nothing but square root of, again same it is, 9 plus 25 is root 43. Okay, many times students make a mistake. Just by saying the opposite sides are equal, they say it is the sides of a parallelogram or the vertices of the parallelogram. The conclusion is wrong. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 4 sided ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ನ ಸೈಡು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲೇಬೇಕು. ಐದರ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, in the square, all the sides will be equal and the corresponding two diagonals also will be equal. Okay, now forget about the square. Let's take up this question. Let us find out its diagonals. So A, B, C, D anta tagondre. Now just think about a simple parallelogram. If I take A, B, C, D, opposite side will be equal. And what are the diagonals? AC and BD. Okay, so similarly, let me find out the diagonals. Now, which is the first diagonal? You can find out any one. I'll find out AC. So AC is nothing but square root of A and C. So it is 4 minus of minus. You can take 4 plus 1 whole square plus. So minus 7 minus 2. You'll get minus 7 minus 2 whole square plus 8 minus 1 whole square. 8 minus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is nothing but square root of 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. Okay, plus minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. 9 nines are 81 plus 8 minus 7 8 minus 1 is 7. It is 7 sevens are 49. Okay, so this is nothing but square root of 49 plus 81 estaito 50 plus 80 is 130. And 130 plus 25 would be 155. This is the length of the first diagonal. Now let me find out the length of the other diagonal, BD. BD is equal to square root of between B and D. So it is 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2. So it is minus 3. Minus of minus is nothing but plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 whole square. Now plus 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 whole square. This is nothing but square root of 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 square is 1 plus minus 3 plus 2 is 1. 1 square is again 1 plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 square is again 1. This is nothing but square root of 3. You can see here their lengths are not equal. Okay, now please be careful how we are going to write the final conclusion. Okay, so here is the conclusion. Here AB is equal to CD, which is equal to 6, and BC is equal to AD, that is equal to root 43. What does this mean? Opposite sides are equal, and you can see here diagonals are unequal. Hence, the given points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Gottagtidya? Very simple question. Okay, now before we move on to the next question, I'm going to give you a similar question as a homework. Okay, please don't take the homework question as burdens. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, and moreover these are very simple questions. Okay, take up the homework question now. So this is the homework question. Show that the points A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD, but it is not a triangle. So ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, only difference between parallelogram and rectangle is in rectangle the diagonals will also be equal, but in the parallelogram the diagonals would be unequal. Okay, so ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಭರವಸೆ ಇಡ್ತಾ let's take up the next question. Here comes the next question. Find the equation of the set of points P such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2K square. ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Where A and B are the points 3, 4, 5 and minus 1, 3, minus 7 respectively. Means this is point A, this is point B. Now let me consider the general point. Let P is equal to X, comma Y, comma Z. Okay, let me consider this point. And he has given some data here. So what is actually the data? He has given PA square plus PB square is equal to 2K square. Okay, now using the distance formula, so let us find the distance. I've taken the points also A and B using the distance formula PA square. So remember, distance formula root ide. Because I'm taking the square, the root will be going off. So PA square would be nothing but x2 minus x1. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ PA ಮತ್ತು PB ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಇದನ್ನೇ x2 y2 z2 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square. Okay, this is PA square. Okay, plus what is PB square? Similarly, x minus of minus is x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z minus of minus is z plus 7 whole square. This is actually is equal to 2 times k square. So how did I get this? From the data equation avane kottidane. Just expand this. So if you use a minus b whole square, this is x square plus 9 minus 3 2s are 6x. Okay, similarly plus this is y square plus 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8y. Okay, plus this is z square plus 5 5s are 25 minus 5 2s are 10z. Okay, plus, okay, now this is x square plus 1 plus 2x plus this is y square plus 9 minus 3 2s are 6x plus this is z square plus 7 7s are 49 plus 7 2s are 14z. This is equal to 2 times k square. Okay, let us simplify. Therefore, now x square plus x square, 2x squares are there. Similarly, y square plus y square, you'll get 2y square, and z square plus z square, you'll get 2 times z square. Okay, now next, look at the x terms. Excuse me, this is minus 6y. Okay, so it is minus 6 plus 2, minus 6x plus 2x would be minus 4x. Now, minus 8y minus 6y would be minus 14y. Minus 10z plus 14z would be plus 4z is equal to 2 times k square. Are you following? Okay, now remember, sorry, I forgot the constants. So constant is 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 plus 25 is 50. 51, 60. 60 plus 49 is 109. So this is actually plus 109 is equal to 2k square. Okay, you can leave the answer as it is, or you can keep the constant, since these both are purely constants, keep it outside, or the final answer would be 2 times, if you want you can take the constant, 2 times x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, next minus 4x minus 14y plus 4z. This is equal to 2 times k square minus 109. Okay, this would be my required answer. Okay, stay, because k is also unknown, I cannot do anything extra here. So ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಫೈನ್. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋದ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 12.2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಸೇ ಬಾಯ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ its distance from the points P, A and B are equal. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಪಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಿ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಬಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೋ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ 3ನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 12.3 ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. God bless you all and bye.